Hey guys, Coach Bryan with Tech Edge Trading. Hopefully everybody is having a good Friday. Had a really good session on FSR. Really interesting day today. I was actually able to pick apart the bottom today on a reversal and get in. And oh geez, I had a really good play, really good scalp. I picked up 18 calls, 18 weekly call option, and cost average was a little over $43 a contract on the play, and within a matter of half hour I was out. Half position for a dollar, nice gain there, and I was able to squeeze her up to about 118 before I closed the position out fully. I wanted to break this chart down. This is actually a really interesting chart, and I wanted to point a few things out that we potentially need to look at going forward, and some caution that we need to err. So you can see this level up here, this 2161. This is going to be a very, very key level for us. Today, you can see we gapped up and we rejected this 1936 level. I was able to pick the position up here. I'll get into it on the smaller time frames. But right here on this bottom, we have to be careful. This is a spinning top candle. This is indicating a potential reversal happening. Now, if that does happen, I'm looking at two things. We need to see her ideally holding at this 1735 level. There is a chance that she's going to fill this gap. She can come back down to the 1679 level. So that's what I'm going to be looking for if she decides to reverse and retrace here. We really need to see her back above this 1936 with some follow through and volume. And then we're probably going to come up here and retest this 2161 level. The next stop, if we can get some follow through above here, is going to be this all-time high at 2363. If you see this candle, even though she made it all the way up to 23, almost $24, this is a hard reject. She was actually rejecting this 2161 level. This is what we typically call a blow-off top when we see this action, and that's why we got this real steep retracement and pullback. She formed a base, and it looks like she's trying to come back up out of that base. We do have some work ahead of us to get back up into these levels for a retest. Now, if we can extend up past this, I would be expecting to see her, in that 28, maybe even $30 range. We're just going to have to see what she's going to do, guys. We got to be patient. We got to see what Tuesday is going to bring. Monday is a holiday, so let's see what she's going to do Tuesday. Don't panic if she does retrace. More than likely, we're just going to hopefully look and settle down here. We have to see what she's going to do. I need to see her retrace volume start to dry up and her settle and form another coil, another bull wedge. If she's wedging there, then there's a good probability that we will break out again and at least come back up and test this 1936 level. We're just going to have to wait and see. Today was a good day. I don't like the candle on the daily right now. I don't like that close. I was ideally hoping for a close above 1936. It's kind of a nasty formation to be long right here. So, guys, if you're long, just be aware. There is a potential for some pullback here. So, just trying to give you guys the heads up that we could be looking at a retracement, and it's okay. It's okay. If you guys are holding long term, it's just kind of name of the game. I'm a day trader and a scalper, so I'm taking what I can get every day and then back into cash. But I can definitely help you swing traders and long term traders at least get a good grasp of what's going on and what the chart's telling us. So, I've also had a lot of people hit me up about what we do. We're an educational service, okay? I am a personal trading coach, a one-on-one coach. It's something that you do not see a lot of online. You're not going to see a lot of these gurus taking a personalized approach. They're all about subscriptions. I'm all about just a handful of students at a time. In the education, I primarily teach technical analysis, proper risk management, personal growth, and really what it takes to create success. Everybody's different. A lot of these online programs, they don't work, and the reason they don't work is because they don't incorporate an individual's personality, strengths, weaknesses, tendencies, that sort of thing, which all kind of play a very key role in how successful traders trade the markets day in and day out. I take a personalized approach when I'm teaching. with my students. I get to know you guys real good, and I have a really good insight on, areas in your personality that, although they may not be bad, are going to cause you to make mistakes in the market. So, I work on that. I work on teaching technical analysis. I teach my students a lot of things that 99.99% of traders just don't know, and being able to, predict price movement and stack some probability on our side. That's what this is about. So nothing's 100% in this game, but we can look at every scenario and have a battle plan for whatever a stock is doing, which is a beautiful thing. When we know what a stock is doing, something systematic, it takes a lot of pressure off your trade, a lot of worry. If a stock is doing what we're expecting it to do, everything's groovy, right? So, we're just looking for probability and trying to stack some corner. And I like to also take some time and educate the public when I can. So, if you guys get anything out of these videos, please hit like, subscribe. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about what I do and what we do, hit me up. You guys can Facebook us, Tech Edge Trading. My Facebook page, go easy on me. It's still really fresh, really new. I just started building a online presence recently, so I've been doing this really old school, guys, word of mouth, stuff like that. But I've been coaching for quite a few years now. I've been trading for almost 17 years now. So I got a little bit of knowledge rolling around in that coconut of mine, believe it or not. So, all right, guys, over and out.